In this video we will have analyzed 5 best pod coffee machine. Number 5. Nespresso Pixie Espresso Pod Coffee Machine. DeLonghi brand and model name EN125S. Best feature of this pod coffee machine is compact and measures only 11 cm in width. Available in a variety of colors and finishings. Switches off automatically if not used within 9 minutes. Includes a 24 ounces water tank. Number 4. Keurig Pod Coffee Machine. Keurig brand and model name K-Mini. Best feature of this pod coffee machine is small, compact, and can fit anywhere. Can hold large cups. Auto turn-off feature shuts down the machine 90 seconds after the last brew. Produces quality coffee with each brew. Number 3. Keurig Pod Coffee Machine. Keurig brand and model name K-Cafe. Best feature of this pod coffee machine is programmable auto-off feature that turns the device off after 2 hours. Maintenance reminder function alerts you when it's time to descale the machine. Dishwasher compatible. Huge 600-ounce water reservoir. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Pod Coffee Machine. Hamilton Beach brand and model name 49976. Best feature of this pod coffee machine is two-way coffee maker for carafes and K-pods. Versatile cup rest that also acts as a storage space. Easy to use with auto turn-off feature and much more. Ideal gift idea. Number 1. Keurig Pod Coffee Machine. Keurig brand and model name K-Select. Best feature of this pod coffee machine is beautiful aesthetic. Fits in well in a workplace environment. Runs quietly and effectively. Large drip tray.